Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with JPMorgan Chase checking, quick guide step by step clearly. To get started, ensure you have the JPMorgan Chase mobile app installed on your device. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, locate the Pay and Transfer option on the main menu. Tap on Zelle to begin the setup process. If you are using Zelle for the first time, you will need to accept the terms and conditions. Next, choose the email address or phone number you want to use for Zelle. Make sure this is a valid email or phone number, as it will be linked to your Zelle account. You may receive a verification code via text or email. Enter the verification code when prompted to confirm your identity. Once verified, you can start sending or receiving money. To send money, select the Send option in the Zelle menu. Choose a recipient from your contacts or enter their email address or phone number. Input the amount you wish to send. You can also add a note to describe the payment. Review your transaction details and tap Send to complete the process. To receive money, simply provide your linked email or phone number to the sender. They will be able to send you funds using Zelle quickly and easily. If you wish to check your transaction history, navigate back to the Zelle menu and select Activity. Here you can view all your past transactions at a glance. Keep in mind that funds sent via Zelle are usually available within minutes. Remember, the money is transferred directly from your Chase checking account. Using Zelle is a convenient way to send and receive money without needing to write a check. Ensure you have the latest version of the app for optimal performance. For any issues, consult the Chase support section within the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.